Well, here it is, guys. This is my new amp rack. It's gonna be for my JVC amp, the monoblock that I have. The little electronics on here, bass enhancer, voltmeter, so I'm reading the volts from my amp, so I'm not gonna fry it, make it catch on fire. I'm not sure if it's possible for 500 RMS, but could be. Oh yeah, here's the support for the first two sheets. And here's the second support for the amp. Why is it double seated? Well, these outside screws are getting supported by this, and it's pretty solid. Did a little error there, got a little splinter, but the other screws are holding up. Like it's not gonna break or fall off or snap. If it does, I'll refix it, put a new piece on there. But it's not breaking or nothing. There it is. Took me about like half hour to write the specs, schematics, whatever the fuck you call it. Just drew it out, came to thought right away. I was like, wow, I need to really get rid of that fucking dresser drawer, the amp rack box I called it, and actually use wood, because that amp rack box, the dresser drawer, it's not as solid as this. If I did that, it would have probably broke, because like the screws go right through for the amp on that dresser drawer, and it's pretty flimsy because that shit was only for like socks and other crap. But yeah, if you enjoyed my video, give a thumbs up, leave a comment if you liked it, if you like the things I'm doing for car audio on myself. I'm doing this all by myself, like no help. And subscribe, because I got more to come. I got my vehicle build to come. Well, yeah, let me know what you think. I don't think I've ever seen a flat removable amp rack before, because a lot of people that do it, they build the amp rack once they get their vehicle, but I'm doing this so I could just put it in, take it out, move it around, find a location for it. It's pretty sturdy, weighs about 8 pounds now, all the wood that's built together for it. Well, yes, like what I just said, hope you enjoy. Just gotta find out what my next video is gonna be about. Maybe another bass test, I don't know. But yeah, stay tuned. Peace.